Are the Indian cricketers taking ODI format lightly because there's ODI World Cup is 4 years away?
Well, I don't think so. I don't think every time you cross that line, irrespective of what level you're playing, you never take the game easy. And especially when you representing your country, especially when you are playing for the country, no chance, no chance. I don't think the intensity levels, and especially for a Virat Kohli team, I haven't seen one of the biggest positives of Virat's team is ever since Virat has become the captain, the intensity levels, irrespective of what format, what the situation of the game is, the intensity never falls. And I don't think players would be thinking about World Cup and all, because everyone's playing for their place. And if intensity is an issue, I think for any player, I think that player should come back home. If you're not 100%, if your intensity is not 100% playing for the country, then I don't think you should be part of that team. You should be back home doing whatever you want to. So if you're there playing for India, you have to be 100%. No two ways. I mean, that is a non-negotiable as far as I'm concerned. I don't care whether the World Cup, 50 over World Cup is next year or 2 years or 5 years. If you've got that batch on your t-shirt on your head, then you have to be 100%.
Not at all. I don't even give a second thought to it. And if you look at Virat Kohli and everybody who's playing, they have that pride. I can tell you, last time they won the Test match in Australia, the Test series in Australia, you could see that. And every time a whole world talks about the intensity that this Indian team has shown on the field. So I think everything is good. Only thing is that because this year, as I come back to the same point, this year is different. 8 9 months you've not played any cricket, and straight away you're going and playing international cricket, that too against one of the best sides and in their backyard. So there are few things. Slowly, gradually, we'll see guys getting into that groove. But it'll be harsh on saying that they don't intend to win ODIs, or they are not interested in ODIs.
I agree with Deep and Pragyan that at no point in time have I seen even a single cricketer take anything lightly. Having said that, both teams, if you really sort of delve deep, both teams are building up for the Test series. That's the truth. Whatever you agree or not agree, that is the truth. Why is Australia resting Pat Cummins? The Justin Langer's on record saying what is most important now is that red ball series because World Test Championship is the most important. Why is Australia trying to rotate bowlers and get them ready for Adelaide? That's the answer. I'm 100% sure India also at the back of their mind has that World Test Championship. So, okay, while none of us are saying that people are taking it lightly, go and ask any player, do you want to win the Test series, do you want to win that one day series? You will have your answer. What is more important? If anybody says, oh, you know what, one day is equally important as T20 and Test cricket, nonsense. I mean, go check with Virat Kohli if he wants to win that Adelaide Test match more than the one day series. It's a no-brainer. Australia wants it, India wants it. That's how world cricket is. Having said that, I have not seen any let up in intensity or that deliberately somebody is not trying. Having said that, the whole question of rotation, that you will rotate Shami and Bumrah in the T20s and keep them fresh for the Test series. Australia rotating X number of players. Warner is a forced one, but Cummins and some of the other plans that they already have is proof as to what is most important in this next 2.5 months.
Boryada, these Aussies, they have been like that all their lives. Had this statement come before the ODI series, I would have agreed with Justin Langer. After winning 2 games, winning the series, you give a statement that we are preparing for the Test match. That India can also do. If India wins a Test ODI here in our country, and they say that okay, these are our main bowlers or batsmen, we want to rest them for the Test series. Everybody will agree. But when you're losing, it's a different scenario, and you don't want to lose any tournament, any game when you are touring abroad. You have to make a statement.
No, but India did say this at the start of the series. They were already contemplating rotating Shami and Bumrah in the T20 format because these are your two premier bowlers in the absence of Ishant Sharma. So it's not as if that they were not thinking about it. They were. I mean, even before the 2 one-days happened, they were thinking about it. And it is only natural to say that the Test series, the Australia Test series, is the most important. If you
yes,
say,
yes, it is.
While every match is important, no question, I agree there. But in a priority scenario, you want to win that, right? You desperately want to make a match of it. Without Virat Kohli, if this Indian team is able to compete in a 4 test match series and even draw, or now the test championship is such that every win matters. Even if you lose 2-1,
Yeah.
you have won one test match. That should get you to the top of the test charts again and make the final.